Well, it looks like my friendly neighborhood squirrels have been at it again, at least in this bed and probably in the other beds also. Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I'm Moses and this is Urban Backyard Container Gardening. If this is your first time visiting, thank you for stopping by. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you also. So as you just saw, we have an issue with squirrels. So in today's video, we're going to do part one of my plan to alleviate that. Come along with me while we put up some squirrel feeders. So I went to my neighborhood Lowe's and I got these two cedar squirrel feeders on sale. So my plan is to screw them into the base of a tree and put in my peanuts, and hopefully they'll give them something else to eat besides my plants.
That's my toys. My daughter. My ear. My ear. Puppy. Puppy.
Huh?
My ear.
Your hand hurt?
My ear. My ear.
So we have one up and we're going to find a second location to put the second one. So we placed the second feeder here, and if I ever get the desire to put a corn cob on, I can do it on the side of the holder also. But for now, we're just going to try with the peanuts, and hopefully this will help some with the squirrels going into my raised beds. My youngest granddaughter and grandson are over at the playground area. She's been dying to get outside. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we did part one of my solution to my squirrel problem. Part two is to put netting over all of my raised beds, and we'll be doing another video on that process. Hopefully, as I said, this will stop them some from going into my raised beds. And if I have to put up more feeders, then that's a possibility in the future. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you got something out of it. Hope it brought a smile to your face and a little joy to your heart. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. I know my friend Mike up in Minnesota deals with squirrels also. Mike, if you have any suggestions, hit me up. Let me know. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. If you're interested in any of the material shown in the video, head over to my Amazon storefront or my website. The links for both are in the description portion of the video. So until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.